This problem is going to be really familiar to the proofing of 1. This, we're proving the alternate exterior angle theorem. We're given that P is parallel to Q. Prove that angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. We'll start off with our given. P is parallel to Q. Then I know since they are parallel, angle 1 and angle 3 have to be corresponding. They have to be congruent due to the corresponding angle postulate. Then I have to get angle 2 and angle 3 somehow. They're related because they're vertical angles. Angle 3 is congruent to angle 2. Here I can use my transitive property. The angle 3's will disappear, leaving me with just angle 1 and angle 2. That is the transitive property of showing that angle 1 is congruent to angle 2.